everything changes.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome into the channel. Today is Thursday. It's March 25th, 2021. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I want to do an update video for photography. A lot of you struggle with backgrounds or clean pictures, and I've done a video before with a sponsor of this channel. It's Matthew from PhotoRoom. They're an amazing app. In fact, they were just featured on the App Store for Apple with the CEO, Tim Cook of Apple. They did an interview, a Zoom call with him. It's fantastic. It's an amazing app. You saw my thumbnail, you saw the title. I'm gonna take you over to my phone, which actually I'm recording on right now, and I'm gonna show you a demonstration of how it works. The free version, you can also upgrade to the pro version. They are an affiliate of this channel. It's an amazing app. You'll see what the pro version includes in just a minute. I'm gonna take you right over there. We're not gonna waste any time. Also, constant post inside of my Facebook group, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere about thermal printers. If you don't know what they are, this is a thermal printer. This is the one we use. I'll show you. It prints out a little 4x6 label. You rip it off, you peel, you stick, you're all set. This is an arc scan. This is just the one that I use. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. It does the job. It is not wireless. The most popular ones are Dymo and Rollo, along with somewhat Zebra. None of these thermal printers are wireless. You plug them into your computer, which is great. They're reasonable. They're anywhere from, depending on where you shop, 100, 125, up to 175 or 200. With that said, there is one wireless one. It's a brother. It's very expensive. I will link all of them below if you need a thermal printer. They do not use ink. They do not use toner. They use heat. That's why they're thermal. They're very easy to set up. Literally, you just stick the roll of labels on there. You can get labels anywhere, just about, eBay, Amazon, the whole thing. You close it up, at least with this one. You just close it up and you go to town, and there it is, right? The other ones are pretty much just as easy. They all work the same. I have used Dymo, I've used this, I've used Zebra. I haven't used Rollo personally. A lot of you like it, but I'll link it below. The wireless brother, easy to set up, and it is wireless right from your phone or tablet or whatever, but it is pricey, I warn you. Any of these wired ones, they can be used wirelessly as well if you know what you're doing, if you know how to plug them into your modem router, or if you know how to buy like an Apple Airport. You can make any device run over your wireless network. It takes a little bit of know-how, but it could save you some money if you're willing to do that, to buy one of these cheaper if you didn't want to, splurge for that expensive brother wireless. Now, I know Rollo and some of the other brands are thinking about coming out with wireless ones, so keep an eye out for that as well. Anyways, they're linked below. So without further ado, let's go over and check out the PhotoRoom app and how you should edit your photos properly in 2021, because I knew you guys needed, at least some of you, an update on this fantastic app. Okay, so here we are on my iPhone. I'm doing this right from my phone. You can do it from Android and also your iPad or tablets. Just click download the PhotoRoom app. That's what it looks like. Go ahead and click on it, and it's gonna load up, and you can see some of the kind of examples that they have here, different types that they can do, Poshmark, Etsy, whatever. So I'm just gonna show you guys the basic. And what happens is you click the plus button, and I've just taken a picture of a remote. You guys can see it. It's going to scan it. You can see what it's doing there. Removes the background, and then bang, you have a bright white remote that you can save. Now, it's going to have the watermark PhotoRoom if you don't pay for the Pro Edition, if you just have the free edition. Now, I have the Pro Edition. I'm actually an affiliate with them, but they changed it up, so I got to change my logins for that. And then you can just save it to your camera. You can just hit this and hit save to your camera roll, and it's saved. They also have like these checkered backgrounds. They have like, the original. They have this wood. They have all kinds of different things that you can do. Now they also have all of these, sell on Poshmark. They have Boost Your Depop Shop. They have a natural, and you can see in the corner it says Pro. So if you want to use any of those backgrounds, it's Pro. They have tons and tons of backgrounds. They have matching backgrounds, which is pretty cool. It's a little weird. I don't think it's a good idea for eBay, but they have the Van Gogh collection. They have, some of these Depop ones, which they just add stuff in. And again, they have solid colors. Some of them are on the Pro level that you'll need that. Drinks on display. They have before and afters. They have all kinds of different options, jewelry. So you could go on and on and on. Look, they have tons and tons of these, right? and then you can click on My Creations and it's saved. So that's pretty much how easy that is. If we close that out, let's go ahead and do one more just to show you. So this is a tie that I just randomly took a photo on. It's gonna remove the background, and we have our classic white, and we can save that to our photo roll, and there you go, right? And so then you have PhotoRoom at the bottom. Again, if you get the Pro, it'll get rid of the watermark, but that's how easy it is, guys. And if you get the Pro edition, you can do these instead of one at a time, you can do these in bulk. So you can sit and take all the pictures you need, check all of them, hit remove background, and all in one click, remove it all to the white background. So that is PhotoRoom. Matthew is a fantastic developer. His team is amazing. I will link it below. If you want to sign up for PhotoRoom Pro and you use my link, it will take you right to that. It's awesome, it's amazing, it's worth every penny. I highly, highly recommend this app over any of the other ones, even the internal eBay one. This one is just built by a team of professional developers. They know what they're doing. I mean, they got on Apple with the CEO of Apple, Tim Cook, so that should tell you something. And it's like rated the #1 photo editing app for background. So there you go. That's PhotoRoom. I'll link it below. I appreciate anybody who signs up with Pro under me. It does help me out. It does support the channel. They're an affiliate of this channel. And thank you guys, Oliver and Matthew over at PhotoRoom. Maybe I'll do an interview with them soon as I can get them on. They are busy guys now. So that's PhotoRoom. That's white backgrounds. Highly recommend it. It's clean. You're also welcome to use any of the other backgrounds on other platforms. And if there's anything else you guys need, don't hesitate. Comment below. He does read through some of my video comments, or I can send it to him. Or rockstarflipper@gmail.com, and I'll answer the emails as I see them. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time.